Allah made very beautiful things in the world. Allah is the creator of everything in the world. He made the universe with great wisdom, power, and beauty. When we look around us, we can see countless beautiful things that Allah has created for human beings and all living creatures. From the vast sky above us to the small flowers growing on the ground, everything shows the greatness and kindness of Allah. The beauty of the world reminds us that Allah loves His creation and wants us to live with peace, gratitude, and care. One of the most beautiful creations of Allah is the sky. During the day, the sky looks bright and blue, and the sun shines to give us light and warmth. The sun helps plants grow and keeps the earth alive. Without the sun, life would not be possible. At night, Allah changes the sky into a dark and peaceful scene filled with shining stars and a glowing moon. The stars guide travelers and decorate the night sky like diamonds. Allah also made the earth very beautiful. He created green fields, tall mountains, deep valleys, and wide deserts. Mountains are strong and firm, and they protect the earth from shaking. They also store water in the form of snow, which later becomes rivers. Rivers are another beautiful blessing from Allah. They flow gently across the land and provide water for people, animals, and plants. Rivers help farmers grow crops and make the land fertile. Oceans and seas are also amazing creations. They are vast and deep, filled with different kinds of fish and sea creatures. The sound of waves and the cool breeze near the sea bring peace to the human heart. Plants and trees are among the most beautiful gifts of Allah. Trees give us shade, fruits, wood, and oxygen. They clean the air and make the environment healthy. Flowers come in many colors and shapes, such as red roses, yellow sunflowers, and white lilies. Each flower has its own beauty and smell. When we see flowers blooming in gardens or fields, they make us feel happy and relaxed. Fruits and vegetables are also Allah's blessings. They are not only colorful and tasty but also good for our health. Allah provides food in such a beautiful and natural way. Allah created animals and birds with great beauty and purpose. Some animals are small, while others are very large. Each animal has its own special features. For example, the camel can live in the desert, the fish can live in water, and birds can fly in the sky. Birds are especially beautiful because of their feathers, colors, and sweet songs. When birds sing in the morning, they praise Allah in their own way. Animals help humans in many ways. Some give us milk, some help in farming, and others are companions. Allah teaches us through animals that every creature has value and a role in the world.